kinging it. Rule your own world.
1, 2, 3. More. 1, 2.
It's 5 o'clock, babes.
Welcome back to Kinging It.
Oh, for fuck's sake, game.
Fucking area. If you're wondering why we haven't changed, it's because it's the same day and we're just carrying the vlog on.
We just woke up from a nap, okay?
This kid had a nap. So we're going to Asda. We need some passport photos.
Yeah, so, like, can I wear my glasses and this headscarf, or is that... Or
No, you have to take them both off. Amy looks like a little mole now without her glasses. Take them off.
No.
Go on, take them off. Molly, 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 molly.
So the woman in Morocco doing the tours, what did she say?
She said we charge too much money. But we're the best, so we can charge that money. No, we're just getting back now and being like, you know, because you've got to start somewhere. You've got to set the bar.
And you've got to set the bar, not them.
Yeah, because sometimes you like underprice yourself and then, you know, you just get the piss taken out of you. So if you set the bar, companies will either say yes and happy days, you're getting paid what you're worth, or you start negotiating. That's how it works. So I'm just emailing back now and being like, hey babes, you can go a bit lower.
We're flexible with our pricing, depending on what you're after.
So I'm in Asda and I'm doing business on my phone. That's what we do.
What's she saying?
She's asking us when we can go to Morocco.
So she does want us.
Oh, you want to send us to Morocco? We watched White Chicks again the other day. If you haven't seen that film, if you like White Chicks, then you could be our best mates. It's got like a 15% rating on Rotten Tomatoes.
It is the best
funniest
though.
film ever.
You will die.
If you haven't seen White Chicks, you should
go and watch it.
Oh, you want to talk about mamas?
You want to talk about mamas?
Also, we're super excited that they've got a vegan Ben & Jerry's, but not very excited by the price. Buy a new car for that.
Iran, here I come. It's extortionate, Craig.
Leave some money for me, yeah?
Take an ID photo, passport or other official document.
Can you see the screen now?
I can't bloody see.
Select
Passport photos, yeah?
Yeah.
press on the
Shall I
green
take
button.
the screen off?
Take your time, babes.
Okay.
No rush.
When you're ready, press the green button.
Here we go.
Oh, you want to talk about mamas?
Will you stop it?
Keep a straight face. Don't sneeze.
Make sure that you hold your head straight.
Who's
Yeah,
that
that'll
criminal?
do. Yeah, that'll do my eyebrows a bit wonky, but... What are you doing with that mullet then, bro?
I know, it's a state, isn't it? Jack's fault for quitting. My father quit, didn't he?
Look at that.
Don't lick your finger, you grotter. Take my money.
Put it in the other way. There.
Don't mess with me.
In we go. Go on, go on.
We need some change.
So we went to change it into pound coins. I said, oh, the passport booth isn't working. She's like, oh, look, you're going on holiday. You going anywhere nice? I was like, yeah, we're going to Iran, babes.
I didn't know this was a passport booth. That's mad, isn't it? You get your passports printed in.
Photo booth. Shut up, man. Put your pants in.
Hold your head straight. Do not smile and close your
I
mouth.
want to do something with that. Look at you. You're like a little wave. You could surf that hair, Craig. No, I think that's alright.
Is my
If you're
head straight?
satisfied with this photo,
Yeah, you look
press on the green
lovely.
button.
See then, little goof troop. Gorgeous. We going to Iran, babes. We going to Iran.
Another morning, another visa mission. How's it going? Amy's in these groups, the Mongol Rally groups, and she's like reading all these things and asking all these questions.
It's kind of like a blessing and a curse to be in it because I'm finding out more things that we need to do. So basically, the easiest way to do the Mongol Rally is to go across the Caspian Sea, right? So we've watched people's vlogs on every single thing you can even imagine, and they were waiting for the boat for 3 days. So they literally were playing chess and they were just playing football and they waited for this boat to come. Now I get a bit travel sick on boats, so we've decided not to do that one. Instead, we're going to go through Iran, which people are like, so dangerous, oh my god, no, but we're literally going through the top of it. We're just dipping in and we're coming back out. And the vlogs we've watched, people have said that Iranian people are the friendliest people ever. It was their favourite stop on the whole of the rally. So we've got to do it. However, this is the most just frustrating and stressful way to do it, basically, and yeah, expensive. So
It's not that bad.
there's lots of things. What do you mean it's not that bad? You haven't been looking into it. Do you want to go outside?
This girl, honestly, I have to deal with this rage every day.
So we need a carnet the passenger.
Looking, yeah.
And Craig won't even make me breakfast. I've had a yogurt.
Given up on visas for today. We're going to have another go tomorrow. I've just been to the post office to pick up a parcel because Sarah, lovely Sarah, ordered a jumper and it was too big, so she sent it back. But I think she's added something to the parcel, so we'll open it up. You're excited, love.
I'm excited.
Go on then, crack it open. Fuck about.
Hey guys, I would really appreciate it if you could swap my orange jumper from a small to a medium. It was too small. I've sent you some goodies. Ooh, Amy, please send me a cute pic of you in our pink jumper so I can show all the dancing kids at Abbey Studios. They'll love it.
Where's my pink jumper?
Oh, wow! This is my kind of pink. I love it! Of course I'll send you a picture. I don't know if it'll be cute. Like maybe I'll put some makeup on for that one. It's so soft as well. It fits like a dream. Will you please?
You used to be a dancer, didn't you?
Tell me how good I look right now.
You look fit, babes.
I know. I know.
You used to be a dancer, didn't you? Show us your moves.
I've never been a dancer. I've never been an Irish dancer. I love it. Thank you so much. It said Slimming World then. I was like, It says Abbey Studios. We're gonna have a look at these guys then. That's the jumper she sent back. The lovely orange King in it jumper. Fab. This is gonna come in well, Andy. Do you know why?
Who's Andy?
Because we're doing a lot of research lately. And we're making a lot of notes. So thanks very much. This is lovely. I love it. Repackage now, please.
Okay, it's 5 PM. We've got a Skype call with the company, which we totally forgot about. So they just said we're online waiting now, so we're going to call them. So here we go. Catch up later.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hiya.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, we'll chat to you soon. See you later.
Thanks, Meredith.
Bye.
You too. Bye. Bye. Nailed it. 6:30 AM. Come to find the sunrise. Yeah, buddy. So grateful to have this just on my doorstep. Captain Bannister setting up the scene. What's happening today then, love?
I'm not sure. What are we doing?
You never know what's happening, do you? So today we are filming a proper intro to the Mongol Rally because we've decided on our charities and we want to show people like a few clips. We've spoken to another YouTuber who said that we can use some of his footage to like big it all up.
He did it last year, didn't he?
Yeah.
But yeah,
so-
like when people are asking us, they're like, what's the Mongol Rally then? I don't think you can say it to people and they'll get it. You have to show them. So that's what we're going to do for you today, okay?
So we're announcing our charities. We're just going to explain a bit about what it is and how you can get involved. So hopefully that'll be going up in the next few days.
So if you want to sponsor us, you 100% can. You can actually come with us on a flag. So you can put...
This is what this video's for, babe.
I went to Egypt last night, can you tell?
Your little pink jumper.
I love it! I won't have it off me now. I've like told myself you can't eat in it because it'll just be all down the front. So and it's really soft inside, so I don't have to ever wash it. So
Get your little skirt as well, babes. You look like a proper girl today.
I do actually, don't I? I did say my favourite colour was pink. What you got there then?
Selfie stick gold.
But it's a monopod, isn't it?
Now we're just going to stick with the monopod for the Mongol Rally, so we can hold it up the car like this.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun.
This is Amy every day. This is the shite she watches on the internet.
We will go on a picnic.
We're all done shooting, 45 minutes. Dad and Dunzo. What's happening this afternoon, kid?
So one of our favourite companies ever, Eurotunnel. We did some work with them last year. Click that. It was our favourite thing to date, wasn't it?
It was so fun.
It was really, really fun. They sent us to Strasbourg in Germany.
Germany?
In France. To the Christmas markets, and we had a blast, didn't we, Craig?
It was so good, yeah.
So they've got hold of us again. They're like, we actually love road trips, guys.
They saw our video.
Nice to see you again. And yeah, they want to work with us. So we're jumping on a Skype call with them at 3:30. So we've got a while.
This is mental from last week when we were like, oh, we're,
Do you know what I mean?
we're so poor, help me.
Help me, I'm poor.
And now we're just like banging out the bloody Skype calls.
It's all
we're
about
smashing
the positive vibes, Craig.
It really is, and I hate to feel like we're harping on, and like there are those people like positive vibes, but if you put it out there, you get it back. It's as simple as that. If you're just moping about, nothing's going to happen.
We're living proof.
Rule your own world. It's what we try and live by.
Yeah.
And when we do it, it works, doesn't it?
There's a little secret in there. If you believe in it, it'll come forth to you, brother. So yeah, that's really exciting. We love those guys, and they're always so nice when they email us, and they can't wait.
Bloody brilliant! What a week.
Chicken nuggets?
Yes, please.
Like vegan ones?
Yeah, I don't eat chickens. Time seems to have creeped up on us again, and we got a Skype call in like 2 minutes. We got carried away editing. Amy was finishing off the Iceland video.
I've done it, guys.
She's finished it.
I've actually done it. It took ages, but I think it's good. I think it's a good representation of King in it, and myself and Craig.
So, wish us luck. We got a Skype call with Eurotunnel. Fingers crossed.
Oh, we don't need no luck for this one. They're like our BFFs. We'll be fine.
Another top Skype chat. Well, it was an attempted Skype chat turned into a phone call. Bloody technology. It's good, wasn't it?
This is very good, yeah. I love those guys.
Yeah, they're great. Yeah, the guy Luke's such a legend. He's watching our videos and he saw that we were looking for sponsors and he was just sent us an email. So bloody brilliant.
Just happened to be like social media guru of Eurotunnel.
Yeah, so top chat. So hopefully we can figure something out with those guys. And we are well on our way to going on this Mongol Rally, which is crazy. We bought this car, we were like scraping our pennies together just to buy it, and we had to sell ours. And then we were like, how are we going to do it? And now we're just like...
But what did you do? Bloody stain back there, the bag's covering it, dropped his curry, he did.
Don't put my bag in there. Sorry guys, we'll make sure we clean it so it doesn't smell for you. So now we are off to the nether regions of Wales to film this beautiful silver bullet for this Mongol Rally video.
But we're going to need to find some money for a new stereo system. Because this just ain't doing it for me.
It's big as a poo. We drove about 40 minutes to Southern Down to get one drone shot and one shot of the car, and the drone was messing about. So
the sun went down and now it's like midnight.
So that's it for today. We're done. So we're going home, we're going to edit this vlog and post it tonight. So this is happening today.
Happy Friday, guys.
Happy Friday. Hope you have a fantastic weekend. There'll be another video coming shortly because we're just banging them out at the moment.
Smashing it, mate.
So, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all your bloody lovely comments and your messages of support. Once again, we love you guys. So if you're brand spanking new, thanks for watching King in It. Make sure you press subscribe.
And if you're not new, guys, I know this is very repetitive, but I mean it. We love you. And always remember, whatever you're doing in life, rule your own world, okay?
1, 2, 3, bye!
Supposed to pull over, or what am I supposed to do? We're going 50 miles an hour.
We've had a disaster.
Are you shitting me right
It says
now?
engine failure on the car. What the hell does that even mean? the engine management lights come on.
Have they just gone off as well?